I love these lamps so much, and I actually have them in black as well. I didn't know that I needed my lamps to have USB ports so that I can charge stuff, but ever since I've had these in my home, I have absolutely loved it. You can instantly create a charging station anywhere you put this lamp, and I love that you don't need the little extra block. So these are perfect for nightstands because you can just charge your phone every night or any device you really want to. But of course you can use them in any room. I put them in my foyer, and they don't just add really great light, but they're really pretty to look at, and of course I can now charge anything I need right there. They have a very rustic farmhouse finish with a brushed glaze look that really adds lots of texture and warmth to your home. I love the textured oatmeal linen shades and the turned wooden base. There is a little assembly required, but it is super easy to do. You basically just need to build the shades, and they work with Velcro, so it goes really quick. But yeah, I can't say enough good things about these lamps. I really love them, and now I have this problem where I need all of my lamps moving forward to have a USB port. I can definitely recommend them.